If you've noticed a lack of performance in your wiper blades, they might not be junk, they might just need a little bit of a refresh to bring them back to new. Now, this probably isn't an issue if you garage keep your car or you're regularly washing it and replacing these things, but for those of us with commuter cars or just beater cars, this is a really helpful tip. So let's talk about the things you need to refresh your wiper blades. So we're gonna need some all-purpose cleaner. I like Koch-Chemie's Green Star. We'll also need some glass cleaner. This is invisible glass. We put both of them in our Pressol bottles. You'll also need a throwaway towel, like a multi-purpose towel, and then a glass cleaning towel. So the first thing we're gonna do is take some of our APC and then spray it right onto our towel. And then pretty simply, we're just gonna wipe down the wiper blades somewhat aggressively. And you'll see instantly there's all kind of dirt and tar and junk that are stuck on these blades that's preventing them from doing their job properly. You might be worried that this APC is going to dry out your wiper blades, but you really shouldn't be at all. You wouldn't worry about using an APC on something like your tires. It's basically the same rubber, so you really don't have to worry about that. We are using an APC because it's a degreaser, and we're trying to get a lot of that grease out of these wipers. So this should be the last clean we have to do. Work our way up it. Oops. And there we go. You can see that it's getting progressively cleaner as we go. Visually, I can tell that these look pretty good, so we're not going to go any further because we don't want to totally strip them of all of their oils. We just want to get the majority of it out. So now the wiper blade's good. The second piece of advice I have is to clean your glass properly. So we're going to use some invisible glass. We're going to spray this down and clean this glass. It's pretty common for things to get stuck underneath the wiper blades and to attach themselves to the glass. So spending a little bit of extra time to make sure your glass is totally properly cleaned will ensure that these last a little bit longer. Okay, and that's all there is to it. You should notice a pretty significant increase in the quality of your wipers after doing this and the way they sheet the water off the glass. Obviously, eventually you'll have to replace these. They do go bad, but this is a great way to refresh them and bring a little bit more life back to them before you have to replace them. You can get every chemical and towel we talked about in this video at our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.